Welcome, Film is an Alcatel 1S, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me is on the second page right over here, hotspot. So once you find it, you can hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can start off by, for instance, changing the password, which is generated randomly by default. So we can remove this one and set our own. It needs to have 8 characters in length at least. From there you can tap on OK to save it. Now additionally you can change also the hotspot name if you wish to, and under advanced we have some information who is connected to our hotspot, how many people you're blocking, and you do have this handy little option right here, turn off hotspot automatically when it's not being used for a couple minutes. So here by default it's gonna stick to 90 seconds. So if you want this, you can have it for 90. You can increase it to 5, 10 or so on. I'm gonna select it to be like 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes of inactivity, the hotspot will automatically turn off, which is a really nice option here. Now once you have set up all the settings, you can leave this place, and whenever you want to enable your hotspot, simply tap on it to turn it on. And you can turn it off yourself by tapping on it once more, or wait for the 10 minutes or whatever you set it up to be for it to turn off automatically. And I do actually recommend you to set that up, because for me personally, I do forget to turn off hotspot when I'm using it, and it does consume more battery when it's on. And additionally, it also sometimes turns off Wi-Fi, so I'm going to quickly check if that is the case here. Oh, it actually looks like it keeps the Wi-Fi on even when it's being used. So in here you can actually still use both of them, but it will, like I said, consume more battery, so that is already a good incentive to turn it off. Now anyway, this is how you could set it up and use the hotspot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.